Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how you can align your tags into your Photoshop. So let's jump in. So friends, this is my Photoshop software and here I'm going to add tags. So this is tags and here I'm going to add some lorem or other content. So simply click on type and paste lorem. Okay, so friend, you can see this is the lorem tags you can see into this box, and I want to center this all the contents. So what I will do, simple, you can click on this center, so you can see all the tags will be centered. This is the one method where you can easily add a center. And for example, if you have another tags like sample tags and also sample tags 2 and sample tags 3. Right now, for example, you have 3 sample tags and you want to align these all tags in center. So what you will do, simply just select this 3 layer. And how you can do that, first of all, you just make sure your auto select is checkmark with the layer. Here you can see 2 options. You must select layer, and whenever, just focus on this part, this is the 3 layers. When I will select here, you can check this selection is changing over here. So I'm going to press shift and click over here, here and here. So you can see these 3 text layer are selected now. Okay, and I want to make it center. So what I will do, just click on this center. So you can see these all texts are center. And friend, I want to center and also I want to make this space will be equal. So what I will do, just simply click on this. So you can see this is proper align center tags. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press on like button and share with your friends and family, and also subscribe our YouTube channel so you can get tutorials like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.